welcome back to the show and thank you so much for tuning in to the TNP Special 2024. Igama nguSinengwa Kanini, but of course if we VIP Emhlebeni, then you get to call me u-Auntie Wama 2000. And ngihambedwa ngiphethe uZama Ntshangase, who is the founder or the director or the CEO of SIUT Fashion School. She was also the award winner for Ama Next Billionaire Awards 2021 under a category education. Zama, welcome back to the show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for ukuhlala nathi. Ngifuna ukubonga nje bangibonga umbukeli.
Cha phela ngeke ngingahlala
Awuna choice.
Inobillionaire phakathi nje.
Into zakho. Okay, so before we went on the break, you were telling me about the graduation yabantwana bakho. You mentioned ukuthi 2 years because the first year it's more of a fashion show. Second year is where they design their own gowns. Now you interested or you intrigued me. Mo mention ukuthi laba be fashion show they are showcasing umsebenzi wabo. Who are they showcasing umsebenzi to? Do you have like potential sponsors, investors, I don't know, clients, collaborators abazobe bekhona on the day?
I-graduation ila besuke beveza khona ikhono labo ukuthi sebehlale eklasini isikhathi eside kangaka. Sebefundeni in the space of the 2 years.
Okay.
So busuke be showcase in front of their parents, ama spouses, their friends, fashion enthusiasts. We always invite abantu aba within the industry, the fashion space. Kuyaye kube khona nama buyers from Abo Edgazi, buyers from TFG. So uyakabe ne potential obonakala ukuthi une potential uyakabe nenhlanhla yokuthi ni atonyulwe eningini. Yes.
So kutomulo kwabo also I want us to go back to the mass production point you made earlier ukuthi usengenzeka tomulela ukuthi naye she's now producing for TFG impahla zakhe.
Yes.
Okay.
So njengoba kade ngishilo ukuthi bafunda i-mass production as well. So lokho kubanikeza i-understanding ukuthi when it comes to mass production and manufacturing yini edingakalayo e-factory as compared to ukwenza a single client.
For me.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Mawubala ama-spouse lezi ngane zinyethwe.
Abanye babo.
Hayibo umuntu uhlala naye izingane. Kodwa abafana bathule benzani bengibukisa nomphakathi. Okay, so now going back to the whole business, I'm aware that you also do makeup every year on a tender la ekhaya lama Next Billionaire Awards ukuthi njalo masoba nemicimbi not makeup sorry uyagqokisa ugqokisa umphathi wethu umsunguli uSisilungile Mbili. So every year since 22 years. 2022 till now you are the one ogqokisa uSisilungi omsunguli wama awards.
Ngizoqala nje ngokuthi ngimbonge umphathi ngokuthi I'll recognize i-talent.
Yes.
Njengoba angitomula kwabaningi abakhona naba exposed kuyena wabona ukuthi cha nasi isandla esifanele ukuthi simbese lo mzimba. So ngasho nje ukuthi kusukela ngiqalile ukumgqokisa to me at first ngangisaba ngoba phela wema umuntu omkhulu kangaka kusiyama
uzobe zobuka umhlaba wonke lo ugcwele lapha
lalela was like okay it's going to be on national television and lo muntu angikwazi ukuvele ngimthungele nje.
Must make a statement.
Lalela ke uvela athi nje bona
ukuthi wenze njani
ukuthi uma unikezwe intambo endikalayini yokuzikilela uvele ulikhahlela ibhakedu samini ungakayifasi ngisho intambo.
Because now the tricky part about that is umenze umuntu ubona ukuthi wenze njani lento oyibonayo what if they don't like it because ngona mina sithomba ukuthi okay this is what I want. You can always say but this is what you ordered esithombeni.
But the nice thing is she's open and unayo creativity. I don't want to lie because uyaba ne-input ukuthi okay ngicela ukuthi nokuthi ngingabukhona ukuthi nokuthi samzobona-ke mina-ke njenge-designers yes ukuthi-ke ngizihlanganisa kanjani lezi zinto lezi asezethulile kumina to make a outstanding outfit for her and ngisho ukuthi nje kuyintokozo kakhulu ukuthi sikwazi ukubreaka nje ukuthi lalela every year we dress the founder of the Next Billionaire.
Njengobani nkosami like Homest. So you spoke about iy'ngane zakho knowing kumele bezazi ukuthi bo bafunani, where do they see themselves in the next 3 to 5 years? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years?
to 10 years, I see this institution bigger than
the biggest fashion academy.
Fashion academy ekhona la.
Producing internationally, like internationals as Ohamba is representing come back.
Because that's what we are on about. It's not that it's we need now to have an exchange program with other countries since it's fully accredited. Thank you so much. So if you feel like semthethweni nje awuzuphuma la ulambatha cha. So sinalelo themba lelo ukuthi ni kule minyaka eminye ezayo sizoba nawo ama programs where we invite students outside of the country, and lapho ke nje ke sobe sesibakhapha ngeblue light ke bese esikoleni sibala airport uyayibona leyo. So siyibona nje institution ikude kakhulu, inkulu kakhulu. Sidressa even more and more and more, even now ama participants at the next billionaire. Fashion school.
You have a beautiful collaboration with your sister, and it's been so much fun having a chat with you. Thank you so much for his katsako and your expertise. Now, before I let you go, please let us know how to find you or how to get in touch with you for abantu abasafuna mhlawumbe consult nawe business wise, abantu abafuna collaborate, abantu abafuna enroll ingane la kwi academy. How do we get a hold of you?
Okay, so the number where you can call or WhatsApp at 073 3079 886. Otherwise, we tuthole prospectors yethu, or you can email to saidfashionschool@gmail.com. Nakhona futhi uzokwazi ukuthole wonke ama-document nembuzo ofisa ukuyibuza, as well as kuma socials, TikTok SID Fashion School, Instagram SID Fashion School, Facebook Fashion School SID. Sikhona nje, you can follow.
Because Nikon, goes to prospectors, and that's how I know what's like. So I have one question to ask you. Zama Bele Ntangase. Zama Bele Nompilo Ntangase. Are you the next billionaire?
Oh, Zama Bele Nompilo Ntangase is the next billionaire.
Thank you so much, Sis Zama. So ibambala for today.
Thank you so much.
Uzuleke mbukeli ukuthi abantu abathungisayo abashadayo baya kuphi ngisho kuthiwa ku vacation. Osami ngisho kuthiwa ufuna ukushaya confuse the enemy kube ngazathi uzoshada ubungashadi. This is where the fashion is at. Sithungisa la ekhaya SID Fashion School. Ungangibhayizeli ke ngithi sekuthiwa uhambile uyothenga igameni kuphi. Ila like we'll singise khona, okay? Thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode of TNB Special 2024. Ikama ngusine ngwanene, but of course ngoba wena uyi-VIP yasemhlabeni, then you get to call me Andama 2000, and just like that, myself, Uzama, and the entire team are signing out.